Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to go invincible on Discord. So for you to go invincible on Discord, here is how you can get it done. So click on your name icon or your name, your profile name, or your username or your display name. It depends on what you know it to be. Or for me, I called it display name. You can see right here, which is Neymar. You click on it. Once you click on it, then you drag your mouse and place it on the online option. Then in front of the online option, you have about 4 options under it, which is the invisible. The last option is the invisible part, and here, as you can see, it will not appear online, but we will have full access to all of Discord. So right here, you just simply turn it on. Once you turn it on, and that's it. You are now invisible on Discord, which means your presence will not be noticed. Even when you're online, people will not know that you're online. You'll be totally invincible. At the same time, you still have full access to all Discord services. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.